Hey friends, Miss Andrew here. All right, today we're going to talk about the letter I. This is the letter I, capital I, lowercase I. All right, our letter I story, the story that we're going to use to help us remember the letter I and its sound, is going to be I for Indian. This is our Indian friend. His mom brought him dinner, and it was vegetables, and he looked at it and he said, I do not want to eat that. I. All right. The letter I, capital I and lowercase I, is for inchworm. Inchworm. For insect. Insect. For igloo. Igloo. And iguana. Iguana. Good. All right, so now we're going to look at how we can write the letter I. All right. A pull down, a push across, a push across. Lowercase I is a pull down under that dotted line, pull down with a dot. Good. So uppercase I, from the top to the bottom, pull down, push across, push across, pull down, dot. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye, guys. Love you.